This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 28th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather and slightly above average temperatures will continue for much of the forecast period as our weather pattern remains rather tranquil. Are there any signs of changes on the horizon? Let's take a look at it. First, we'll check out the almanac from yesterday. 82 degrees was the high in the valley. 62 is the low. See, that normal high is now at 80 degrees and will continue to creep up as we go through the season. Outside right now here at 8:50 a.m., mostly sunny skies in the valley, and we're at 63 degrees officially at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 39. Relative humidity 42%, the winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, 53 is currently the cool spot at Buckeye. Temperatures are warming up pretty rapidly, though. We're in the 60s, and we'll be headed into the low and middle 80s today. The watch warning map remains suspiciously quiet for late March. We have a few flood advisories continuing across the Plains states, some winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories out in the central and northern Rockies, but for the most part, not a whole lot of high impact weather happening right now. Convective outlook for today, there is a marginal risk of severe storms around Topeka and Kansas City, but overall, rather quiet here. And speaking of quiet, how about the precipitation outlook valid through next Thursday morning? This comes from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley, nothing, and really nothing statewide and practically region-wide as a tranquil weather pattern continues, as is rather typical here heading into April. And we'll break it down now as we take a look at the models. Check it out. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. We've got high pressure as the dominant feature, although there is a short wave undercutting that over the Pacific Northwest. But down at the surface today, mostly sunny skies, a lot fewer clouds than yesterday. Highs this afternoon, low and middle 80s. Tonight with clear skies and a relatively dry air mass in place, lows should drop in the 50s. Then tomorrow, sunny skies again, highs low and middle 80s. Let's get to Saturday. We got a system passing north of us. Some high clouds should come through. We'll call it partly sunny. High temperatures, again, low and middle 80s, and pretty much the same thing on Sunday. Probably fewer clouds here, but still mostly sunny and highs, low and middle 80s. Monday, ridging starts to build in. Temperatures warm up a tad. We should be in the mid and upper 80s. Might get close to 90 on Tuesday. Remember, we still have not hit the 90-degree mark yet this year, so we're going to make it into April, it looks like, without that. And that's good news. Then Wednesday, close to 90 again with, I'd say, partly sunny skies. Another round of high clouds will come through. And a week from today, this is Thursday, the 4th of April, a zonal flow. And that should mean periods of high clouds. Otherwise, conditions remain dry and high temperatures probably in the mid-80s. Going out 10 days, the end of the period. This is Saturday, the 6th of April. Got ridging to the east. We've got a short wave moving into the Great Basin and out ahead of it, southwesterly flow. So temperatures would probably be bumped up to around 90 again. This might actually wind up being one of the warmer days of the period if this verifies. But, this is 10 days out. And, conditions look rather seasonal. Checking out those temperatures through the period off the GFS ensemble. And again, these are relatively seasonal, a few degrees above normal, but overall, nothing all that out of bounds for the end of March through mid-April. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. I always try to respond to every message I receive. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. And you guys have yourselves a great Thursday.